June celebrates Men's Health Month, and with Father's Day just around the corner, it's the perfect time to celebrate Dad with delicious foods that also support his health. So we're going to be sharing some of our favorite recipes and tips to make Father's Day special.
A great way to serve up a Father's Day feast is by firing up the grill with heart-healthy picks. Typically, utilizing the grill is a great way to prepare food without adding a lot of fat and extra calories. We want to keep things lean while choosing our proteins to support heart health. Choices like tenderloin and sirloin are great picks that are lean and will still be tender and juicy, perfect for dry heat cooking.
Yes, that's a great tip. So when meat is exposed to direct heat that's higher than 280 degrees Fahrenheit, the proteins in the meat, they actually start to break down and denature. And with prolonged heat exposure, these proteins interact with basic sugars that result in that browned, darkened coloration known as the Maillard reaction. And so that's what we're looking for. To optimize this process, you really want to reduce the amount of moisture on the surface of meats. Dry brining with salt draws the moisture from the surface, which gives that perfectly brown outside while retaining that juicy, tender result, from the tenderloin or sirloin that you picked.
Yep, for sure. Another great protein pick to support Dad's heart is seafood. Salmon in particular is packed with omega-3 fatty acids essential for heart and brain health. Try pairing salmon with grilled pineapple for a sweet and tangy contrast. The high water content of a pineapple means these are perfect for standing up to the heat. And the natural sugars, they caramelize on the grill, adding a complex flavor. And to kick it up a notch, add Caribbean flair with a jerk seasoning blend and garnish with sesame seeds.
That looks delicious. I love the color too, and it's a great tip about using pineapple with the water content. Awesome. Well, another key component of supporting health and longevity is, of course, fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are full of health-supporting nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. And men need about 38 grams of fiber per day, but most only eat about half of this recommendation or less. So including produce in every meal and snack is a great way to get you a little bit closer to that goal.
Some great picks for the grill include zucchini, bell peppers, or portobello mushroom caps. For simple preparation, toss with avocado oil and salt and grill until slightly charred. For a time saver, reach for Food City shortcuts, veggie kebabs, which are washed and cut and ready to pop on the grill.
Great tips, love the color, and the shortcuts do make it so much easier. So honor Dad this Father's Day with grilled meals that taste great and also support his health. For more tips or recipe inspiration, visit foodcity.com.